Hi, Alexa.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Welcome to Lamborghini Kelowna.
Thanks for having me.
Well, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah, I know you haven't been in a Lamborghini before.
No, I have not.
So if we could go out in one, which one would you want to go out in?
You know what, I think I like the Diablo.
Funny thing, that's my favorite one to drive and ride at work.
Perfect, but I think it looks a little dirty though.
We could wash it.
Sugar, baby, sugar. Flavor divine, girl. You're delectable. One of a kind, girl. You're collectible. Your bubblegum gonna pop, baby. You're my strawberry queen, and I don't wanna stop, baby. So come on closer to me, cause now I know whenever I get it, I want it again. I crave it, I need it, I sprinkle it in. I took it, I love your sugar. Cause you taste so sweet. Don't wanna know if you're a good girl, cause you're bad for me. Got to get a little of your sugar, baby, sugar, sugar, baby, sugar. Top of the list, girl. You're a luxury.
That was hard work.
Very hard work.
How do you feel about going topless?
Let's do it.
Come on, guys. Did you think we're really gonna take our tops off? I meant of the Diablo. Let's get serious. Ready?
There's my motherfucking glasses, but hell yeah, that was sick as fuck.
Girls can do these things too, you know.
Yeah, girls can have fun, you know. Oh my god, that was so fun. I love that. Usually I don't want to again.
Did you just get a text message?
I'll check.
I heard your phone.
Yeah, it's from Ryan. He said he has a package back there for us.
A package back where?
Behind you.
What? Where the f did this come? Are you kidding me? Where the f are we going? Are we buying a new car?
You have to tell me what you want. So guys, Linz and I are going to the McDonald's because we're really hungry, so that's what we're doing.
We need dinner because Rai didn't want to cook us dinner tonight.
Exactly,
so-
because Rai-Rai's not home right now, so.
Hello? Oh, he's gonna need me to turn the car off. Okay. Is that better?
Yeah, that is better.
So sorry. Can we get it to go?
Well, no sh**.
Just kidding. That's everything. Thank you.
35.49.
Can we get it to go because we're in the drive-thru?
We should eat this and then go through the A&W drive-thru.
We should go to Taco Bell. So this girl at McDonald's probably hates us right now because we asked if we're gonna get it to go.
No, she actually laughed. That's the only time she'd laugh.
And we're in the drive-thru.
Yeah, she was annoyed at our entire order, and then I said I wanted to go, and she laughed at us.
Oh, it's a Lamborghini. Okay, that makes sense.
There you go. Sorry about the noise. Pardon me? No, it's a, what am I driving?
Diablo Roadster.
Yeah, it's a Diablo Roadster. Sorry.
What am I driving? Oh my god, please say we're all that on video. Oh, okay. This is your milkshake.
I know. It brings all the boys to the yard.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Do you want to know what annoys me the most?
What?
One of the things that annoys me the most is when you turn the car off and the wiper is stuck halfway up.
Oh yeah, that bothers
Like,
you.
why?
Oh, here's our poutine.
Ooh! Look at all of our fries.
Okay.
Cheeseburger?
Chicken nuggets.
Oh, I was like, what the hell is that?
Cheeseburger. And then hell yeah, my wrap.
The Diablo needs a bigger center console to fit all of our food in.
It just adds that extra, like, oomph to it. Oh my god, there's so many people up. I'm so. Hi guys, so we're back.
Lexi's first drive in a Lamborghini.
Woohoo! So excited.
We have strict instructions to show up at August Motorsports.
Very strict instructions.
Usually, if that's what I'm told, there's only one reason why I'm told to go there. Normally, I don't mind, but
Unless it's something that Lindsay does not like.
which Ryan has been talking about this vehicle that I am not a fan of. If that's what we're going to see,
Lindsay is not going to be very happy.
I'm telling you right now, though, for real, if this is what he's showing us, I'm gonna be pissed.
I wonder what it looks like if you think it's what it is. Is it cute or what?
Is it cute?
Yeah.
No, there's nothing cute about it. I'm not being snobby and I'm not being stuck up, and I love all the cars, some
But,
more
like,
than others. I have favorite children.
You just have your, like, preference.
One specific one, I'm gonna be really, really, really upset because I don't like it. I told him from the beginning that I'm not a fan of it. I don't see a purpose for it in the garage. It will. Nope.
Savage.
It's not savage, dude. Wait, if it's there, I'm gonna snap. And if it's not there, I'll show you a picture of what it looks like, and you'll be like, what the f***? I'm not kidding.
But honestly, I'll probably agree with you because me and you are like the exact same.
Yeah. Anyway, something about the Diablo.
Yes,
The front end is super low, and the front end lift on it takes about 7 years to go up. So, don't really use it. It's got to be really good at going up curbs and over bumps. Because the front end lift is useless, but I love this car. It's my baby. It's my favorite one to
You
drive.
look so good driving it too. I love it.
It's the little Diablo. Do you know what Diablo means?
No, tell me.
Devil.
Devil?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, that's awesome.
It's my purple devil. Lexi,
Yes, Lindsay?
what's your favorite dessert?
Donuts, of course.
Well, I got a treat for you. Holy shit.
Hey, Lynn, you got the paperwork?
Hi, Rye, I do.
Awesome. This is for the new car. Come check it out.
What? No, Ryan, are you kidding me? I don't want it. No, 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 no. Are you kidding me right now? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my first YouTube video. I hope that you liked Lexi. How was your trip?
It was the best experience of my life. When we did those donuts, it was amazing.
We won't tell Ryan what else we did in the car. He's gonna have to see the vlog to find out. I hope to see you guys soon. Comment below, tell us what you think. If you wanna see more of Alexa, and also don't forget, tap that subscribe button.
All right, guys. Lil Model Paige's first vlog ever. What do you guys think that I purchased? She didn't seem that happy about it, but let me know. Comment below, tell me what car you think I bought, and maybe you'll see it in the next vlog. Peace!